Krishna Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. This is a continuation of our discussion on why to chant Krishna Nama. Hitherto, we have seen that Kirtana Deva Krishnasya Mukta Sangam Param Vrajet. Simply by chanting the holy name of Bhagwan, one is very easily liberated from the vicious circle of birth and death. Vede Ramayane Cheva Purane Bharate Tata आद्धावन्ते च मध्ये च हरि सर्वत्र गीयते. The Vedas, Ramayana, Mahabharata, and all the 18 Purans, from wherever you refer them, Adavante cha Madhye cha, right from the beginning, throughout the end, page by page, it is only Harinam that is being plainly, apparently, clearly, bluntly, comprehensively, and very, very, very importantly, being preached to us. Lord Brahma himself says, Govindam tam Adipurusham aham bhajami. He says, it is Govinda, the controller of all senses and the giver of all happiness, is who I meditate upon day and night. He doesn't stop there. In the Kalisantarana Upanishad, Brahma says, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Iti Shodashakam Namam Kalikalma Shanasanam Natap Parataropaya Sarva Vedeshu Drishyate. After having preached the 16 words of Hare Krishna mantra, which is Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, he goes on to say, Iti Shodashakam Namam. So, this 16 word mantra, Kalikalma Shanashanam, is capable of freeing us or liberating us or counteracting the sins of Kali Yuga. Natap Parataropayam. There is no other clearer, surer way or no other means. Sarva Vedeshu Drishyate. You take a magnifying glass or a telescope or a binocular and browse through or surf through all the Vedas. There is no other way. Nata Parataropaya Sarva Vedeshu Drishyate. Even after skimming through all the pages of Veda, all that you come to an understanding is there is no other greater mantra. Lord Shiva himself says to Parvati Devi, to eradicate the sins of the Kali Yuga, it is very essential for everyone to chant Ramanama. When she asks Kenopayena Laguna Vishnur Nama Sahasrakam, he preaches Ramanam. Why? He himself, so Shiva is not like the other human beings who preach something and practice something else. No, he preaches what he practices. Mahadeva Satata Japata Divya Ramanam Kashi Nagar Mukti Karate Ek Ramanam. So he sits in the banks of Kashi and he meditates upon Ramanam. That very Ramanam which emanates or which originates from Shiva's mouth is capable of freeing the departed souls and granting them mukti. Ramanamamu Janma Rakshaka Mantram Tamasamu Jayaka Bhajimpave Manasa. It is a shield which protects us and a Mahaprasadam which is able to grant us the prasad of mukti. There are very many interpretations like this. Quickly, let me bottle down to just two more references. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has recommended Cheto Darpanam Arjanam. Our heart is like a mirror. Marjanam means cleansing. Darpana means mirror. The heart, our hearts are like mirrors. Every day there are dusts which are, accumulating on the surface of mirror. So with Krishna Naam, with the Mahamantra Japa, let's cleanse this mirror. To bottle down to the conclusion of this discussion, let's take the example which the very, very, very eminent devotee of in this Kali Yuga, Lord Kulashekara Alvar has mentioned in his Mukundamala that Shatru Chedeka Mantram Sakalamu Panishadvakya Sampujya Mantram. He says Shatru Chedeka Mantram. There's one mantram, if there is one mantram that will destroy one's enemies, both inside out. Inside, I mean Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsalya. And outside, any enemy, be it your physical discomfort, mental barriers, emotional stress, or trouble from neighbors, trouble from outside, trouble from the workplace or family, relationships. Shatru Chedeka Mantram, the mantra that would win over all enemies. He's revealing us the biggest secret of lifetime. Sakalam Upanishadvakya Sampujya Mantram. All Upanishads are praising this mantra. Samsarottara Mantram. The mantra that is capable of lifting us from this samsara sagra. Samuchita Tamasang Sanganiryana Mantram. The mantra that can banish the deep dark clouds of ignorance and blemishes and despairs and sadness. Okay? This mantra is not only capable of lifting us from the samsara sagra, but also it grants Sarva Aishwaryaika Mantram, all kinds of wealth, all kinds of Aishwarya. Vyasana Bhujaka Sandashta Santrana Mantram. Even poisonous bites of serpents can be cured with this mantra. Jihve Shri Krishna Mantram. O tongue, please call out to Lord Krishna's name. Japa Japa Satatam. When should you chant? Japa Japa Satatam. Always keep chanting. So on a practical plane, he is not asking us to leave all our household duties or professional commitments and responsibilities. Leave everything and chant. No. Just like we drizzle a drop of ghee in our food before we have dal rice. So what are we doing? We're just mixing ghee with our food, right? Just like that, you mix Krishna Nam with whatever you do. You needn't say Sarvam Krishna Arpanam. No, it's not practically possible these days. Just when you're in midst of work, you're feeling tired, instead of saying uff or ish, you can say Krishna Krishna, heart of hearts. Okay? Japa Japa Satatam Janma Safalya Mantram. This mantra is a very big benediction for us. And one greater gift for us is that we've been blessed with the best of the benedictions. All that we have to do is pray before Him with joined palms and beg Bhagwan to grant us the gift of His prema and bhakti, which will take care of everything else. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.